Week 5, Professional Presentation Skills. Developing effective presentation skills for fashion design. Visual storytelling and effective communication of design concepts. Presenting and defending your design ideas in a professional setting. Week 6, Industry Projects and Collaborations. Engaging in real-world industry projects or collaborations. Working with clients, manufacturers, or fashion brands to develop design solutions. Gaining practical experience and building a professional network. Week 7, Fashion Internships. Exploring internship opportunities in the fashion industry. Gaining hands-on experience in a professional fashion design setting. Applying theoretical knowledge to real-world scenarios. Week 8, Portfolio Expansion and Refinement. Reviewing and expanding your fashion design portfolio. Incorporating projects and work from specialization studies. Showcasing your unique design, style, and versatility. Week 9, Industry Insights and Guest Lectures. Inviting industry professionals, fashion designers, and experts for guest lectures. Learning about industry trends, innovation, and career advice. Networking opportunities and Q&A sessions. Week 10 to 11, Career Development and Job Search Strategies. Identifying career goals and job search strategies in the fashion industry. Resume and cover letter writing for fashion design positions. Interview preparation and portfolio presentation techniques. Week 12, Final Portfolio Presentation. Showcasing your achievements and growth throughout the course. Presenting your final fashion design portfolio to industry professionals and peers. Receiving feedback and guidance for further career development. Please note that the course outline can be tailored to accommodate specific specializations or topics based on the participants' interests and the evolving trends in the fashion industry. The focus will be on providing practical knowledge, industry exposure, and career development opportunities to help you establish yourself as a successful fashion designer. Thank you.